If you remember, we talked about factors before. Factors are things that get multiplied together. And we will do some examples of that. Factors of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I asked you to give me the factors of these things, you would be telling me what numbers would you multiply, or could you multiply that would give you those numbers. You could say also what can you divide them evenly by would give you the same kind of thing, but if you're looking at factors of 1, what times what gives you 1? Well, that's a pretty simple one because it's only 1. 1 has only one factor. Number 2, the number 2 has how many factors? They are 2. What are they? 1 and 2. 3 has the factors 1 and 3. 4 gets a little bit more complicated because 4 actually has 3 factors, and they would be, Tyler?
1, 2, and 4.
And 4. Number 5 has how many, Amelia?
Number 4.
Number 5 has what factors?
1 and 5.
1 and 5. 6 has, Abram?
1, 2, 3, and 6.
Now, here is my words of advice to you, which very few 6th graders or even 7th graders or whoever take. In order for you not to forget some, like especially when you get to something like 24 that has gobs of factors, I'll just put it on a different piece here. This is really how you should do it. If you really want to make sure you always get the problem right. Every time you list a factor, you need to think about what number times that factor gives you the number. And I need you to put them down in order from least to greatest because that's the way I'll read the answers, and I don't want to read them like 12 times because you don't have them in the same order. But I mean when you do this, so you know that 1 is a factor of 24, so you should say to yourself 1 times what is 24 and put 24 down because that's the highest factor it's going to have. Same thing, 2. 2 is a factor because it's even. 2 times what is 24? 12. And I can't tell you the number of times I see people forget to put 12 because they know 2 is a factor, but then when they start thinking of the rest, they don't do it. 3 times 8, and then 4 times 6. Okay? I can tell you people miss like the 12 all the time, the 24 even because they forget about that. Do your best to write down what pairs of numbers give you factors. The other thing, what the book tries to show you a little bit in this is this. They'll talk about thinking about factors like trying to make rectangles. So what? I'll show you here. Make this a little wider. Somehow. Where's my clone? Clone? What does that mean? Oh, I know. So let's say you've got this. They'll talk about rectangles. If you have a 1 by 8 rectangle, or let's do 12. What am I at? 9, 10, 11. 11, 12, correct? Does that look like 12? What you're doing when you find factors is you are thinking of the different ways that you can arrange those to make other rectangles. In other words, if I have 12, if I'm looking for the factors of 12, the obvious way is this way to make it a 1 by 12 rectangle. But you could rearrange these to make a 2 by what? you take these, no, 2 by 4 will not give you 12. 2 by 5 will give you 10.
6.
You have to use all the rectangles to try to make a new rectangle. And you end up with
6 by 2.
a 6 by 2 rectangle, yes. Or 2 by 6. So another group of factors that will give you this is actually that's not quite exactly right. A 6 by 2. Another way you could arrange it is a
2 by 6.
no, a 3 by
5.
4 5.
no, 3 by 5 would give you 15.
3 by
Yeah,
4.
3 by 4.
4 by 3.
And we'll go like to do the same.
4 5 by 3.
So you can arrange 12 squares, and that's all you can do. Like 3 by 4. And those would all be the factors of 12. You can have a 1 by 12, a 2 by 6, and a 3 by 4. There are all different ways you can arrange those blocks to make perfect rectangles. Okay, same thing with 24. If I had done 24, I can make all those sort of things. So they get you to try to think about that in different ways. So going back to this here, 7, only one way to arrange that rectangle, and that's a 1 by 7. 8, you could have 1
2
by 8 and a 2 by 4. 9, 1 by 9 or a 3 by 3. 10 is a 1 by 10 or a
2 by 5.
2 by 5. 11 is 1 and 11, and 12 is a 1, a 12, a 2, times 6, a 3, 4. That is listing all the factors of something. Got that? Now I need you to take out another blank piece of paper, completely separate here.